Hello, welcome to ANA community. Today we are going to solve a puzzle. Carefully see the puzzle and think over it, analyze over it, and answer the question. The case scenario of this uh, situation goes like this: 33-year-old female, a receptionist in the wedding hall, consumed chicken and rice at 2 a.m. in the early morning on one fine day. Suddenly, she presented with pricking type of pain in the umbilical region, which is a non-radiating one, severe, persistent, and associated with loose stools since 2 days. No history of nausea, vomiting, and fever was being observed. The question in this particular case scenario is which particular part of the body is afflicted. Pause the video and answer the particular question. The description goes like this. The lady consumed chicken along with the rice. Chicken is considered to be a gramya mamsa, which is responsible for the increase of kapha dosha in the body. Rice or shali, which is considered to be again responsible for the uh, kapha dosha increase in the body. And when you think about the time of food intake, the lady is consuming at the 2 a.m. in the early morning, of course, which is the natural dosha dominance will be observed at that particular time is pitta or vata. A pitta and vata vitiation will be observed. As far as a description of the pain, this may indicate the affliction of a small intestine. And the affliction of the srotas in this particular occasion is Annavaha srotas as well as Purushava srotas affliction. As far as the severity is concerned, the constitutive factor is virulent. And as far as persistent pain is concerned, the day 1 and the second day, the lady is having the same severity of the pain. That is indicative of the exposure of the constitutive factor is continuous. So the organ afflicted in this particular occasion will be small intestinal affliction. The reason to say small intestinal affliction is the lady is presented with pain in the umbilical region. Later, that was followed by loose stools. When you want to say the affliction of a stomach, the lady may be could have the pain in the epigastric region, sometimes burning sensation in the epigastrium, sore irritations could have been the presenting complaint. As the lady was not having those presenting complaints, involvement of the stomach is ruled out, plus involvement of the esophagus is ruled out. And as the lady was having the pain in the umbilical region, the small intestinal affliction can be identified. Whereas the large intestinal affliction, can it be ruled out? Yes, because the lady was not having the pain in the flanks, or the lady was not having the pain in the right iliac fossa, or pain in the left iliac fossa, which is indicative of the sigmoid colon affliction, like that. So the organ affliction in this particular occasion will be small intestine. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.